Good day guys, in this video I'll show you how to create an email alias in Gmail. So you need to do this from the settings, and if you wish to create some kind of nickname for yourself that the person will see you sending email as, it's actually pretty easy to do. So press on this button for settings and then go to all settings. And then we just need to find a setting that's called send email as. So for that you go to accounts and import. And as you can see now we have send email as. So in my case it's going to be my name and of course the email address. And you can either press on edit info, as you can see, and select here some other alias. In here just type in anything you wish, save changes, and they will see this alias of yours in here. Or you can also add another email address right over here, as you can see, and send as a different email address. So that's it, pretty simple to do. Enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe, that helps me a lot, and see you soon.